In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use dead particles in Blender. The dead particles are used when we need to keep the particles emitted from the particle emitter. By default, Blender would remove any particles after a certain period of time. If we use the dead particles feature, then we'll be able to keep the emitted particles to the end of the animation. The life of particles is decided by the lifetime option under the emitter's emission setting. Let's increase the lifetime to see what would happen. Here is the dead option. This is how the dead particles feature works in Blender. The outer sphere was created to block all environment lights. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. The particle mesh was created by using a sphere with 3 rings and segments. The particle mesh is using an emission shader. Here are my particle settings. This is the result of my particle emitter setup. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.